Harsha. Of course, I'm naturally funny when there's no cameras, but when the camera is here, I'm corporate. I'm Harsha. Of course, I bring my sunglasses for everything. They help me see better. So many people don't understand that these sunglasses. I'm Harsha. Of course, I know every song in the High School Musical soundtrack by heart. I'm Harsha. What do I do? No, it was not as funny as it was the first time. I'm Harsha. Of course I'll see you at my masterclass.
But they haven't signed up yet.
What? Submission to feed your own ambition. So although I can't imagine how, I want you to subscribe and follow. Thank you.
It's Instagram though.
Oh. Well, then I want you to like, comment, and follow. I know it's a lot, but we're doing a lot, so the least you can do is comment, like, and follow.